I pinch myself, you're with me, not someone else. And I'm scared, yeah, I'm still scared. That is all a dream. 'Cause you still look perfect as days go by. Even the worst ones, you make me smile. I'd stop the world if it gave us time. 'Cause when you love someone, you open up your heart. When you love someone, you make room. If you love someone and you're not afraid to lose them, you probably never loved someone like I do. You probably never loved someone like I do. When you say you love the way I make you feel, everything becomes so real. Don't be scared, no, don't be scared. 'Cause you're all I need. And you still look perfect as days go by. Even the worst ones, you make me smile. I'd stop the world if it gave us time. 'Cause when you love someone, you open up your heart. When you love.
Hello guys! Kumusta po kayo? Ayan na naman. Katatapos ko lang po nag-bid. Nag-cast ako ng mga bids para po sa pag-buy and sell ng ating mga fixed territories. Ngayon, samahan niyo po ako. Magki-claim po tayo ng mga payouts ulit. Episode 7 na po tayo. Ginagawa ko po to para ma-inspire kayo. Tignan natin kung magkano ang mararating po ng ating mga ikiniklaim na mga payouts sa ating Planetary X. Actually, ang pinapakita ko lang po itong isang account na pinagkukuhanan ko po ng ating payout. Then, nandyan po yung mga binid ko kanina. Katatapos ko lang po actually nag-bid. And at the same time, I was also claiming mga bio modes. Ayan po yung mga bio modes na po-process. And ayan po yung mga iba. So many accounts po. But for the meantime, ginagawa ko pong isingit yung paggagawa ng mga walkthrough videos para po matuto rin po kayo. Whoever's maybe is gonna be inspired, then you can also learn this one. Hindi po para magyabang, hindi po para magpasikat or whatsoever. That's not my thing. My only intention, guys, is to inspire you. If it's not meant for you, that's fine. If it's not meant for anyone, it's okay. But I will still love to inspire here. Yun po. Pwede tayong mag-music para may pampagood vibes din. Ano kaya ang maganda? Love songs? Parang nakakatakot naman tong mga music na to. Oh, parang nakakunik sa anak ko ito. That's okay. We'll go back to our platform. Hanapin na natin yung staking dashboard natin. So we will go to IX Foundation. We will go to staking dashboard. We will go and hunt again doon sa mga kailangan nating i-harvest. Kukunik muna natin yung wallet. Diyan. So, ayan po. Territory staking, meron na naman po siyang 65 IXT. So, i-harvest po natin yan. We will claim. I call it harvest because kung meron ako ang imaginary farms, araw-araw bibisitahin mo. It's really super duper fun to go and claim something good. Ayan, nag-claim po siya. Ayan, na-claim na. Naging ganyan na lang po ang laman. Let's go and take a look. Re-refresh lang po natin yung wallet na yan, si MetaMask, para mag-appear po doon yung total. If you click on here, tokens, makikita mo po yung kung ilang IXT na. So, meron ng IXT na dagdag na po yung 65 earlier. Let's go back sa dashboard. Titignan pa po natin yung mga ibang pwedeng kunin, mga pwedeng i-claim. Yan. Now, we will go and claim this energy also. May 33 daw po doon. So, ilista natin. Tatabulate lang po natin yung kung magkano yung nakuha natin. Okay. So, sabi niya 65 yung una and then 33. Yung susunod is MetaShare. Oh, is this real? Ang 30 days ko daw is 300. No, 2. Hala, tumami naman na ng ganyan. I will see kasi hindi naman akin yan. So, sobra namang dami na yan. Nasa million. Nasa milyon na. Totoo ba to? 755,000 naman na ang daily. Totoo kaya yan? Wow, grabe. Ang laki-laki ng kita ng territory staking na po. Oh my God. Okay, let me take a look and take a picture of that. Okay, so anyway, whatever it is, kakagulat, no? I can believe it. Nandyan, magiging two, hindi ko na mabilang, parang 2 million na po yan, yung IXT payout niya total in a month. But we will see what's gonna happen. But yeah, there is a summary for that. But let's go and take a look. So 100, magkano po yung ano natin ngayon, na harvest? So that was 21. Magkano ang i-convert natin? 119 IXT into matic. Ganun ng ganun. So i-convert po natin yan into matic. Okay, 119. So we will go and swap. Pero saglit lang po, if-flip ko lang po yung piniprito kong isda. Ayan, medyo halfway na siyang masunog. Na ano ko po, na-catch up. Okay, ayan na. That would be good kung ganyan po kalaki talaga yung payout. So, ang isa-swap po natin, 119. Ulitin natin. May glitch po kanina. Ayaw pong mag-swap nung ating IXT na 119. Yun po yung hinarvest natin kanina from our platform. Ayaw po niyang mag-swap or mag-exchange into Matic na siya nga po yung ita-transfer natin sa ating G-Crypto doon sa GCash. So, itatry po natin ulit kung pwede na. So, 119. Hanggang ngayon, medyo ayaw pa rin. No quotes available, reduce the size of your trade, or use a different token. We will just save this one for later. Anyway, the market is really going down. 791 na ngayon ang isang piraso ng IXT. So, it's not really a good idea to swap. This time, medyo mura, mababargain lang yung IXT natin. Kasi nga, kung 119, isuswap natin sa Philippine pesos, 941 lang po yan ang palit. So, antayin natin, baka mag-angat pa yung 791, baka aakyat pa siya sa 10 pesos, or baka mag-go down, then take advantage natin yun to buy more tokens. Cover natin yung exchange later. Dadagdagan na lang po natin later yung 119 na na-harvest. Anyway, na-harvest na po natin yun. So, exchange na lang po natin kung maganda-ganda ang market price. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Bye-bye now.